Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I was just up in Santa Domenica Talao the other day having a beautiful lunch, and I took a little brief tour and introduced you to some people. So I'm going to show you that right now. And it shows you exactly where in the village is Casa Cristina. And I like to brag on the fact that you don't have to go up any stairs or any ramps or anything to get to Casa Cristina from the piazza. It's just right there. So take a look, guys, and enjoy Santa Domenica Talao. I'm going to be posting a lot more about this cute borgo in the future. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Ciao.
Ciao. Meglio, grazie.
Brava, fa piacere che ti vedo.
Ah, grazie mille.
Perlomeno.
Sì, sì, sì.
Santa Domenica.
Santa Domenica sempre.
Ciao, ciao,
Ciao. Ciao. Ciao, buongiorno.
Ciao,
buongiorno. Fresco qui. Bello. Finished at the bar. It's quite hot today, so I had to have some water. And I'm going to come up here. It's funny, you can't walk through the piazza during a busy time and get where you're going in any short amount of time because everybody's got to stop and talk to you, which is lovely. I love that. I'm going to show you the view from the terrace. Buongiorno! Okay, here we go. Grazie anche a voi. Okay. He just wished me a good lunch. I love that. Good lunch. I'm going to have a good lunch too. Okay, you guys have to see this. This is the terrace here at Santa Domenica Talao. And when you come have, you know, breakfast at Casa Cristina, we don't serve breakfast at Casa Cristina. We send you to the bar, which is right over there. And you have breakfast there. They give you what you want, and it's charged to us. We take care of it, but you can bring your breakfast and your cappuccino here, and you can enjoy this incredible view on this terrace while you're having breakfast. Or you can take it to Casa Cristina and enjoy the view from up there. Really spectacular. Now I'm coming down from the little terrace. Being careful because last time I slipped on a ramp, I broke my ankle. It was not fun. Oh look, we got our little lion here. That's water you can drink, by the way. It's clean water coming out. Through the piazza here. I wanted to show you exactly where Casa Cristina is in the village. Ciao, buongiorno! Ciao, ciao! Faccio un video. Okay. This is Biagio's store. Tu sarai sul canale questa sera. Okay. And here's the pharmacy. Oh, okay. Well, he wants to invite us in. He just had his floors done, and I'm telling you, they are absolutely stunning. Wow, this is the inside of his store. Look at these floors, guys. I just love them. Ah. È molto grande. Oh, they've got everything. Look at the whole wall of pasta over here. Amazing. And here you've got all kinds of cleaning supplies. You've got sewing kits and toilet paper and everything you need. It's wonderful. Grazie, Biagio. Ci vediamo. Ok, ciao. Buona giornata. There's the post office right here. And we have an ATM in our town. You know, not a lot of hill towns, I think, have ATMs. And I say I have to brag on that because it's really nice. If you need money, you just go right there. That's where the ATM is. Get some money out. Now, we're coming up the way here. That's Nuncia's store right there with the guy in the yellow pants. Oh, and you see that light yellow building right there. You can just see it, sort of the front and side of it a little bit next to that pink one. That's Casa Cristina. But now I'm going to go say hi to my beautiful Nuncia.
Ciao!
Ciao, Nunzia.
Come stai?
Bene, bene, grazie, grazie. Che bella
Voglio
giornata.
salutare tutti!
Yes, and Nunzia will give you hugs and kisses when you arrive. I guarantee it. Tu sei la regina del borgo.
Grazie!
Prego.
Vi voglio bene!
Ok, ciao ciao.
Ciao!